Hey guys, I just finished this customer. I just wanna share the story of a snowstorm last night. Say look at that. Last night we had a snowstorm. Now it's clearing operation. They call. Look at those mountain after mountain snow. How that? See that? Yeah. So lots of people didn't show up to work because it's too dangerous to drive. By the way, I'm here in GTA area, Toronto area. So I just want to share the scenery after a snowstorm. What it look like. If you see those mountain up, they just finished cleaning here, this area. Just push all the snow there, mountain, like mountain after mountain snow. Look at that. Whew. That's Canada, you know. Ooh. Come on, easy. You have 4x4, huh? That's right. You don't go easy this. You go crazy this kind of weather. Good luck. Look at the snow. My truck don't even wanna move. Double axle. Triple axle. There you go. Much better now. Oh! Come on. Turn. Ooh, too slippery. Come on. Come on. Let me get by first before you get close to me. I don't want to hit you, you know? Otherwise you're gonna be dead. This guy making lots of money now. Clearing the snow. There you go. That's a lot of that. Luckily, I make it to work this morning. But if I have like a used tire or it's not good tire, I cannot make it to work like this. See, look. Come on. Don't slip and slide. Come on, don't do it, okay? Otherwise, I cannot stop. The road is a little bit clean because, like I said, if it's not essential, stay home. Or if you have a bad tire, stay home. But if you have a good tire, okay, go to work. Look at this guy, see? Ow! Snowstorm last night. Look at this. 2 guys, 3 guys cleaning the yard in order to, there's another one to clean the driveway or yard. See, look at that. Mountain of ice. It was everything there. Oh, look at this. That's a disaster. It's cleaning time. Wow. Uh-huh. This guy can drive this. Look at this. He can see the line. One guy is stupid there. Look at that. Yeah, you got 4x4. That's right. That's what you think. Now what? You got 4x4. You make it. You wanna plow the snow, huh? You crazy guy. Come on. It's clearing. After the storm, look at that. You guys stay behind. Huh. You wanna rush, huh? Again, Ross in a hurry. Crazy guy. You cannot drive like crazy this kind of weather. See, look at this. Look at that. Oh, that's it. He's stuck there. Come on. He didn't even clean the curb yet. Whew. Nice. Very nice day today. This bus driver is crazy too. Driver like a maniac. Go. Oh, stop. The driver there. You didn't pick up the speed, that's why. shovel a little bit there. And my truck. Oh my God. I think I need to do something here. See, I cannot get out here. Need to shovel. Saturday, Sunday is gonna be here again. The snowstorm. Oh my God. It's my truck. Oh my God. Whew. Lord.